on your succeeding months. Okay? So far, so clear?
Yes.
Kasabot man ang tanan?
Yes. Yes.
Now, the next package is the gold package. And gold package would cost us how much?
53.
53,000 pesos. And then you'll be receiving 2 boxes of Pertir Placenta good for 1 month. And then the next package, the least package, would be the silver package. And silver package is cost us how much? 26,500. And then you'll be receiving 1 box of Pertir Placenta good for
15.
15 days.
half month or 15 days. And once you purchase any of these packages, you'll be part of our program, which is the Reway Network Program. So, unsay na kay Reway Network Program? You'll be receiving an account. And this account, it is a international franchise. So, let's say, for example, if you go to our Singapore branch, you'll be having your 2 offices there. If you go to Malaysia, we have more than 10 branches. If you go to Taiwan, we have more than 10 branches as well. So here in the Philippines, you have 6 branches. So in our Luzon area, that would be Manila and Pampanga. Here in Visayas region, that would be Iloilo and Cebu. And for Mindanao, that would be Cagayan de Oro and Davao. So these offices will be now your office. And you'll be receiving an account. This account has no expiration date and has no quota. Okay? Your account has no expiration date and has no quota. Okay? So far, so clear?
Yes.
Okay, let's say for example, if this is your account, let's say for example, once we try to share to your friend A, and once your friend A were able to eat the product, feel the product, and then really wants to try. And once your friend A bought Pertir Placenta to you, of course, you'll be receiving your first ever bonus, which is the referral bonus of 10%. So for our first bonus, it is called the referral bonus. And referral bonus has different percentages. So for platinum, that would be 10%. For gold, that would be 9%. And for silver, that would be 8%. Okay? So far, so clear?
Yes.
So let's say, for example, Yani, if your account is platinum and your friend A bought the silver package, you'll be receiving 10% coming from that silver package. Okay? So far, so clear?
Yes.
Now, let's say, if your account is silver package, and then your friend A bought the platinum package, you'll be receiving 8% coming from that platinum package. Okay? So far, so clear?
Yes.
Concerns, clarifications?
None so far.
Now, you have noticed your friend A, while eating the product, starting to improve its health, starting to gain more confidence. And then you yourself, my friend A is starting to improve. What if I share this product to my friend B? Of course, if your friend B eats Pertir and buy Pertir to you, of course, you'll be receiving another referral bonus. And in your account, has sale on the left and sale on the right, coming from your friend A and B, you'll be receiving what? Our second bonus, which is the development bonus of a standard 10%. Okay? So our second bonus, it is called the development bonus. And development bonus is the total accumulated group sales. Again, development bonus is the total accumulated group sales. So let's say, for example, this is your account. Again, development bonus is the total accumulated group sales. Maybe your cousin nagpalit og Pertir, maybe ato ang silingan mag-purchase of Pertir, or maybe ato ang classmates sa unang would purchase 4 golds as long as it is a group sale. And then, the company will get the smaller value paired to the higher value, and then you'll be receiving 10%. So let's say, for example, on your left, produce a group sales of 8,000 points. And then on the right, produce 4,000 points. Again, the system will get the smaller value paired to the higher value. Then you'll be receiving 10% sa smaller value. So pila ang 10% sa 4,000?
400.
400. Okay? And then, what will happen to our remaining points? It will be carried over on the next day. So, 8,000 minus 4,000, that would be 4,000 points. And let's say on the second day, on your right, produce a group sales of 2,000 points. Now, I want to ask you, pila ato ang development bonus dali?
200.
The smaller value is
2,000.
2,000. So, 10% of 2,000 is
200.
200. Okay? And then, what will happen? It will be carried over on the next day. So, 4,000 minus 2,000?
2,000.
2,000 points. Okay? But let's say, on your left, produce a group sale of 3,000 points. And yun on your right, doesn't produce any group sale. I want to ask, pila ato ang development bonus?
0.
0. Kaya naman, walay sale sa right. What will happen to our points on the left? It will be
Carried over.
So, 2,000 plus 3,000, pila?
5.
5,000 points. And then this 5,000 will not be gone. Why? Like I've said, you are part of our Reweigh Network program. So, bisag after a month, after 2 months, or bisag after 8 months na no sale, this 5,000 will not be gone. Why? You are part of our Reweigh Network program. But let's say, for example, maybe after 6 months, may nag-ingon ni mong friend, brother, magpalit ko o per tier. I want to eat per tier. Then this person bought per tier. So, 5,000 and 5,000, pila ito ang development bonus?
500.
500 points. And it is our daily transactions. So, of course, in each and every company has its own maximum capacity. Why? Let's say, for example, if a company overpaid its distributor, do you think this company would last?
No.
No. Kaya nga naman,
Bankrupt.
Putoy ang engine.
Negative.
So, of course, for us to avoid this kind of thing, of course, we need to balance everything. So, we have a maximum capacity. So, for platinum, that would be 1,560 RW. For gold, that would be 600 RW. And for silver, that would be 300 RW. So, what's the meaning of RW? RW stands for Reweigh Wallet. It's like a currency that we're using inside in Reweigh. Then you might be wondering, Kevin, tagpila isa ka RW? So RW is equivalent to 1 Singaporean dollar. And in Philippine pesos, that would be how much?
42.62.
42.60? 62. Okay? But let's say, for example, this RW, you could use this RW to purchase magazines, tools, products in our front desk. Let's say, for example, if you go to Taiwan, and then if you don't have any cash, you could use this RW to purchase sa ato ang mga front desk. So far, so clear?
Yes.
Now, let's say, for example, Kevin, since it's a Christmas season, I want my RW in cash. Actually, we can convert this RW into Philippine peso na on cash. Kaya gusto niyo makita sa imong bangko, baga kaayo, color, blue, or gusto niyo violet or gold. Why? Because of course Christmas, you try to give, give. Or let's say, make it rain or something like this. Hindi na kung mag-anak for No. So, we can convert it into Philippine peso. So, that would be 1 RW is equivalent to
38.
0.9 Singaporean dollar. And in Philippine peso, that would be
38.
38 point. 38 point.
88.
Huh?
Wala
How
pa.
much?
88.
38 point.
88. Ano ba?
88. 60? Huh? 62?
Ele.
68? 62?
68.
68. So, as you can see, there are 10% difference. So, if you really want to save, usually leaders would save up to this RW. Kaya naman, there's a 10% difference, okay? So, let's say, for example, Karin, what if this 1560 mulabaw pa? Let's say, this is your account. On your left, produce a group sale of 38,000 points. And then on the right, has a total group sales of 18,000. So I want to ask you, pila kaya ato ang maximum capacity? Pila ato madawat? If 38,000 on the left and 18,000 points on the right, pila ato madawat?
1.8.
1,800. But, natay?
Limit. Maximum.
Limit of 1,560. So instead of earning 1,800, you'll be receiving
1.560.
1,560. And then what will happen to our points?
0 gone.
It will be gone. And this is what we call flashing. But flashing, it is something good rather than a bad thing. Why? Let's say, for example, what if we get flashing every single day? So let's say 1,560 RW times how many days in a month?
30.
30. So 1,560 times 30, how much? Ila?
32.
Huh? 32?
40. 40.
Ha? Ila?
46.
46. 46,800
RW.
RW. Then it's up to you if you try to convert 46,800 times 42.62. Pila kaya ato ang monthly? Is it a good number every month?
Yes.
Hallelujah, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes.
I think how much yung ang monthly?
46,000.
46,800 times 42.62. How much ang monthly?
1.9.
1.9
M.
M. Magagaluyan na sila sa 1.9. Oh, 1.9 is so cheap. Hindi ko ganana ng 1.9. Gamay ka na sa ako So, I want to ask, is it a good number?
Yes.
Dili gyapon murag mga dato jud ang Cebu. Murag kani is very very small to Cebuanos. So daghan mga contractor diri. That's why
That's why the corruption.
Okay. So here's our daily
Max.
max. Okay? Okay, so far so clear?
Yes.
Okay, so far so clear?
Yes.
Sure? Bakit kaya? Nagluya pa. Okay. That's why it's very Christmas season, that's why book now. Okay, so far so clear?
Yes.
Ay!
Ano picture?
Okay. But don't worry, there will be a next time. Or maybe later, we can sit down together. Then I will try to draw everything in paper. Okay? Okay, please forgive me na makita niyo akong saan sa Cebuano? Luyo, no? Please forgive me, makita ninyo ako ang luyo. Okay, now. Sexy. Now, no. This one is not sexy. Siksik. Now,
Tamsi.
let's say for example, you started to notice your friend A is starting to improve its health. then your friend A starting to share to its friend A1 and A2. Of course, your friend A will be earning referral bonus from A1 and A2. And since your friend A has sale on the left and sale on the right coming from your friend A1 and A2, your friend A will be earning development bonus. And once your friend A will earn development bonus, that's the time you'll be receiving your third bonus, which is the matching bonus of
10%.
10%. So our third bonus, it is called the
Matching.
matching bonus. And matching bonus has different levels. So for platinum, that would be 3 levels, 10%. For gold, that would be 2 levels, 10%. And for silver, that would be 1 level, 10%. Okay? Now let's say, for example, once we try to access our account in our Riway portal, you'll be seeing 2 different kinds of trees. The first one, it is called the sponsor tree. The next one would be the
Placement.
placement tree. Okay? So in the sponsor tree, it will be system generated. So let's say, for example, if we try to share to your friend A, B, and C, and D, the system will be automatically in the sponsor tree. But in the placement tree, we could decide whether our seal on the left or seal on the right. So let's say, for example, once we try to share per tier, and then finally, you got your first ever sale inside an Riway. Now, let's say, for example, I want to ask in this room, mutuo ba mo o ka na manguhula? Mutuo ba mo?
No.
Dili? Really?
Yes.
Or let's say, not manghula, feng shui. It's a mutuo.
No.
Dili yapon. You know, me personally, I'm half Chinese and Ilonggo, Shillong. Of course, we believe in feng shui. Do you know what's going on in our Cebu bridge? The new bridge. Do you know what happened? Do you know what's going on in our Cebu bridge? The second kanang di ba itong old bridge katong sa may not Sisilex. Katong the Marcelo ba to?
Yeah.
Sa yung ano, di ba? Yung first bridge is the old bridge, right? Yung the first bridge.
Yes.
The second one is yung doon sa airport. Marcelo. Then the third one is the CCLX, right? Do you know what's going on the second bridge? Do you know what's going on right now? Actually, they're starting to renovate. For the past few weeks, I've been flying out in and out of Cebu. Then I noticed that how come the second bridge is starting to get shut down or closed down? Why? They found out something. Naasa rin nakitaan. Mo nang road closure ang katunga. Di ba ang Cebu Bridge should be left and right? Karon is ang isa ka linya gisarado ng official. Why? Because naasa rin nakitaan na may gamay na guba ay damage sa bridge. And then, katong time na gisulay sa lalo, naaday balay dito. Sa tunga sa bridge. Kanang naay, kanang ginahingin mo na gamay na balay. So, the engineers are starting to check. Of course, for the safety of Cebuanos. So, when they go there, on the second bridge, sa ilalom, nasa na dumga. And then, tingala sila every night paggabi na asili makita na kandila. Kandila ka po sa Cebu, no?
Yes.
Kandila is the candle. So naasa na nakita na kandila every single night. This part of the Cebu second bridge is na ay kandila. Then they would keep on hearing this sound. And then they just found out is katong naa nakapuyo sa ilalong is daghan nag-ato dito pagka-PE. Kaya nga naman, kay manghuhula di ay ito. Daghan manghuhula. Do you know, there's one person who went there, actually one of my friends, who went there last week. And this friend of mine, asking this lady, this manghuhula, unsa kaya mahitabo diri sa Cebu this week or let's say in the next coming days? Ano to manghuhula? Daghan daw ma-renovate na lugar diri sa Cebu. Daghan ayuhon na mga dalan. Now, I want to ask you, daghan ba ginaayo na dalan karon sa Cebu? So, tinuod tong manghula na giatuan sa akong friend. No, I want to ask you, mutuo ba mo or dili? Mutuo, kaya nga naman. Ag-ingon ang manghula na, this month or this past, in the next coming days, daghan na i-repair na dalan. Kaya ang pangutana niya is, unsa mahitabo dire sa Cebu. Ang tubag sa manghula is, daghan road repairs. And what's going on here in Cebu? Daghan road repair. Now let's say for example, if you have your first ever Silk Highway, would you want na mughuyog ka and then ato na itong manghula dito?
No.
And then let's say, what if kaning manghula? Mga anak ka, manghula. Kanang, na ako'y finally, na ako'y friend na ganahan mo ito per tier. My first ever Silk Highway. Asa ka na ko ibutang. Do you know the manghula would do? Ano siya? Siya duha ka kandila, left and right. Ano siya? Nasa ka? Kalit dibukan iya, wala nakamot. Ano siya? Ibutang imong siya sa wala. So let's say you try to share. You put your friend A on the left. And then, because of this manghula, I tell you, your friend A is starting to get bigger and bigger inside every way. To the point that once you share to your friend B, ibutang nato sa right para maka development bonus. Okay? So far so clear?
Yes.
Now let's say, like I've said, tinuod jud di ay itong manghula sa ilalim sa bridge. Kaya naman, your friend A is starting to become more independent, starting to become more bigger and bigger inside in every way. To the point that you don't need to help this person. Now, you try to share to your friend C. So you have decided to put your friend C down below B. Patis matabangan na to si friend B. Now, you share this product again to your friend D. But tinuod jud itong babae kay very, very independent ang friend A nimo. So, you have decided to put your friend D down below C. But, your friend C were able to have 20 level downlines. Which means that your friend D would be on the 23rd level. Now, I want to ask you, do you think you could earn matching bonus if you look at the placement tree? Your friend D would be on the 23rd. Do you think you can earn
Yes.
matching bonus from your letter D?
Yes.
If you look at the placement tree,
Yes.
23rd level. Again, platinum is only 3 levels. Do you think you can earn matching bonus?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
23rd level again? 23rd level, 23 levels. Si friend D, if you look at the placement tree, 23 levels. 23 level. But the matching bonus has 3 levels. Do you think you can earn matching bonus
Yes.
if you look at the placement tree?
Yes.
No. Why? Because your friend D is on the 23rd level.
Pero kung direct siya kay.
That's why, for those people na who have you directly invited, this would be your first level. Okay? If you look at your friend D and the placement tree, it is on the 23rd level. But if you look at the sponsor tree, it will be on your first level. Okay? And then the people that your first level invited would be on the second level, And the people who have been invited by your second level would be on the
Third level.
third level. And let's say, for example, your friend A, like I've said, very, very independent kay tinuod tulay sa katong naitao sa ulalam sa bridge. Your friend A starting to do Riway for 1 whole month, this person were able to earn 1 million peso worth of development bonus. So 1 million peso, you'll be earning 10%. So 10% of 1 million is how much?
100,000.
You'll be earning 100,000.
Yes.
And this 100,000 will not be deducted to your friend A. Why? Because this 100,000 is coming from Riway International. Okay? So far, so clear?
Yes.
Now let's see, for example, on your second level, this person started the business only for 2 weeks. But this person were able to earn 500,000 worth of development bonus. I want to ask, pila kahapo ang matching bonus sa 500,000? Pila?
50,000.
50,000. Okay? Let's say, for example, on your third level, this person started the business only 1 week. But this person were able to earn 100,000 peso. I want to ask, pila ato ang matching bonus?
10,000.
You'll be earning
10,000.
10,000. Now, I want to ask each and every one of you, among the packages, which do you think is the best package for you? Unsa hinindot sa package? Platinum. Why platinum? 4 boxes of per year placenta, good for 3 months. Referral bonus of 10%. Development bonus of 1,560. And 3 levels of matching bonus. But you see inside in Riway. Okay, you can take a photo first, okay? You can take a photo first.
Ching.
Okay. Okay?
Okay.
5, 4. Okay, 3, 2. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Okay, nomor na? Okay. 3, 2, Okay. No more? Okay.
Done.
So, inside in Riway, I've been in Riway for almost 5 years already. And it's very rare for me, leaders would purchase these 3 packages. Do you know why? Nga usahin lang magpalit sa loob, platinum, gold, or silver. Do you know why? No?
Yes.
Would you want to know?
Yes.
Why? Would you want to know?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. The next one is the diamond package. And diamond package would cost us how much?
170.
170,000 peso. And then you'll be receiving
7.
7 boxes of per tier placenta. And then good for a complete 6 months therapy. Again, per tier placenta, it is a 6 months therapy. Okay? So far, so clear?
Yes.
Now, let's say for example, kita mga Filipino is usually mutuo na patingi-tingi is makabarato. You know ba? Then why do you think Sari-Sari store was born? Kay mas rato. Kay paggamay-gamay ratong paliton. Is it true?
Yes.
Now let's say for example, what if you try to see 26,500 times 7, how much?
185.
185,000 peso. So there's a difference of how much?
15.
There's a 15,000 difference. If ever mo palita og silver lang.
Yes.
Tino ba?
Yes.
Kasi mas makabrato, pito na silver or diamond?
Diamond.
Diamond. Mas makabrato ang diamond. Now let's say for example, if you purchase platinum, gold, or silver, you'll be receiving 1 business center. But if you purchase diamond, you'll be receiving 3
Business center.
platinum business center. This would be your Unit 1, your Unit 2, your Unit 3. And this is what we call the per tier placenta program. Control. Again, this would be our per tier placenta flood control program. I'm just kidding. I'm just testing you if ever antok pa ba mo or did it. Now, so let's say for example, if we purchase platinum package, that is roughly around 1,911 RW points. But if you purchase diamond, that is around
3261.
3261. And then since there are 3 platinum business center, it is safe to divide it by 3. So that would be 1,087.
Yes.
So this would be 1,087, 1,087, and that is 1,087. So you can see, if we purchase one single platinum, that is 1,911 points. But if you purchase diamond, each platinum only 1,087. Now, if you purchase diamond package today, by the end of the evening, you'll be receiving your bonus. It's like a rebate. Why? If you look at your Unit 1, has sale on the left and sale on the right coming from your Unit 2 and Unit 3, you'll be receiving your development bonus or the rebate. So, that is 108.7 RW. Okay? By the end of the evening. So, this one roughly around 4,000 or 5,000 peso. So, it seems like your 170 is around only 165. Barato or dili? Compared sa silver package na patingi-tingi.
Barato.
Mas barato. There's roughly around 20,000 difference. Is it true?
Yes.
Now, let's say for example, today is September 1. September 1, di ba?
Yes.
Months. Now, let's say for example, what if for this month of September, at least we'll try lang tayo maging pugihan. In what way na mapugihan tayo? Let's say, what if we try to invite one person every single week, every Monday, 3 p.m. So let's say for example, on your first week, let's say next week is September 8?
Next Monday. Yes, 8.
September 8. So let's say for example, September 8, you try to invite your friend A. And once your friend A attend events like this and then really wants to eat the product, your friend A bought per tier placenta to you. Of course, you'll be receiving your bonus, which is the referral bonus of 10%. Okay? So let's say, for example, on your second week, September 8 plus 7, September 15, you share again to your friend B. And then, when your friend B really wants to eat the product and purchase per tier, you'll be receiving another referral bonus of 10%. And since if you look at your Unit 2, has sale on the left and sale on the right coming from your friend A and B, you'll be receiving the second bonus, which is the development bonus of
10%.
10%. So far, so clear? Now, after September 15, that would be 15 plus 7.
22.
22. So let's say on September 22, you try to share this product again to your friend C. You'll be receiving another referral bonus of 10%. And since if you look at your Unit 1, has sale on the left, sale on the right coming from your friend B and C, you'll be receiving another bonus, which is the development bonus of
10%.
10%. Okay? So after September 22, 29?
29.
29. So let's say on September 29, you share this product to your friend D. Then when your friend D eats the product, purchase the product, you'll be receiving another referral bonus of 10%. And since if you look at your unit 3, has sale on the left and sale on the right, you'll be receiving another bonus, which is the
Development.
development bonus of
10%.
10%. Okay? Now, do you think this is the only bonus that you'll be ever receiving?
No.
No. Why? If you look at your unit 1, has sale on the left and sale on the right coming from your friend A and D, you'll be receiving another bonus, which is the No.
Development.
another development bonus of 10%. So let's say, for example, what if we calculate our income by doing this business once a week? So 3261 times 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So pila?
80%.
Ha?
80.
Ha? 80%. So that is equivalent to how much?
2,000.
2,000?
Kapit.
Ilan?
2,000 kapit.
2,000? Hala. 2,000?
680.
2006?
670.
608.8. So, 2,608.8
Yes.
times 42.62, how much?
111,000.
111,000. And then I didn't add the matching bonus and the referral bonus. By sharing only for these 4 people for this month, it seems like your first ever diamond package, it is almost for
Free.
free. Okay? So far, so clear to our marketing plan?
Yes.
And then usually, for us leaders to maximize our income, usually all the leaders usually save up this first level to
Yes.
maximize their income. If you really want to know more, go back to the person that who have invited you.
Yes.
Okay? So you could take a photo first before we proceed. 5, 4, 3, 2, 5, 4,